Hi family, today we have these two watches to talk about. Sometimes we get confused about mechanical engine watch and then the battery powered watch. For the mechanical engine watch, there is a coiled flat metal in it, and then it just need to be rewind. Then it get back to its working track. But for this battery powered type, it works based on battery power, and whenever the battery is dead it needs to be changed. So these are the two, the coiled engine or the battery powered one. You can even identify the two. The engine type, the mechanical one, it runs smooth, but for this battery type it's like tick tock, tick tock. So with these two, I think it's good to notice the differences. This is exactly what I was talking about. For the engine watch, the mechanical one, you can see the thread, the coiled thread, metallic one. When it keeps on releasing, because when you rewind, it piled itself up, and then when it's releasing, then the watch keeps on working, unlike this battery type. So now you can identify these two. Catch up another time. Bye.